weather is killing me. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It was an uphill climb all the way down to here. And I think you know where I am. I'm not in Greece, because Greece is all nature. In Japan, you can never get out of the concrete jungle. And even though it's only a small portion of it is actually nature. And they don't call it, I call it just a small nature reserve. They call it forest. Forest is when it's more than 2,000 kilometers square. This is Japan. So you can never really get out of society. Look at that. Am I going to go up there? No, I don't think so. In fact, I'm going to go down. The heat is excruciating. So I find myself going down. I think down will be better. I'm going to crash here tonight. I think it's cooler here. You know what they say, hot air rises, cold air sinks. So that's how the cookie crumbles. I'm at it again, running away from society. My acnoclophobia had just about enough rearing its ugly head. Oh my god, look at this huge spider. It's so big. Look at that. Look at that. It's so big. It's gonna jump on you. Look at that. Look at that. You see it? Hello, darling. It's so cute. Do you see it? It's so big. My God. Scary.